guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we're going to make a really awesome, healthy snack that could fix your salt craving, and it's good for you. We are going to make some crunchy chickpeas that I like to eat in place of chips, and the recipe couldn't be easier, so let's get started. You're going to start by taking 1 can of chickpeas, and you're going to give them a rinse and then spread them out on a tray in a single layer. You're then going to cook them in a 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes until they're crunchy. You know your chickpeas are done when they're crunchy, so just give one a try before you get your spices on it, and that's when they're ready. You're then going to want to move your chickpeas to some type of mixing bowl, and because we're going to add some spices to them to give them a little bit of flavor. You can experiment here and do all different types of spice blends, but I'm going to show you one today that's pretty good. So I like to put my chickpeas in a Pyrex, and then I just do a tiny drizzle of olive oil. You don't want to do a lot of olive oil because you don't want them to be too oily. And then I just give them a good shake like this, so all the chickpeas get covered. After that, it's time for some spices. I do some paprika and some cumin. Then I have a little bit of an ancho chili powder that I like, but any chili powder will work. Perfect. We'll add a little heat, add a little more. And then I do an onion powder. Then we're going to give all that a good shake. And then my favorite, wouldn't be a recipe without it, we're going to do some garlic. And that's it. One more shake for good measure. And then you have a delicious, healthy snack. They're nice and crunchy. They're like a chip, and they got a great flavoring on them now. They taste absolutely delicious. And you could eat the entire batch of these and not feel guilty. Tell me that's not a great snack. They also work as a substitute in salads for like a crouton, so you could just throw them right on top. They have that crunchy texture to them and a little bit of added flavor. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.